the model today, and I saw an instant 300 to 500% growth. All right. Now, let me tell you about my first 100,000. Live. Fred is going to be here live in just give it about a half an hour or so. You'll get the chance to hear his story, but he is now out there doing email marketing promotions for even other people's products where he makes $41,000. He makes $21,000 in a day. He makes $31,000 in a day. He's hitting the top leaderboards. He is constantly out there creating $40,000, $50,000 at a time doing these promotions, and he's going to be here live in a little bit to share with you exactly how he's doing it. But without further ado, guys, I want to get into email marketing. What I want to do is let me take out my whiteboard. All right, and I want you to understand exactly why email marketing is the backbone of any major internet business. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get into these 5 steps. All right, I'm going to draw them. This is a part where I want you to be ready to take notes. Make sure you are ready to take notes because I'm going to actually draw. I'm going to explain to you just how email marketing works. So give me a second here. All right. Let me pull up Desk Scribble and oops, one sec. All right, let me pull that back up in a second. All right, guys, so let's get into email marketing and just how it works. Now, no matter what business you're starting online, I think it's super clear by now that you need to have some kind of website, okay? So you have to have some kind of website. Now, listen, guys, you could be doing whatever you want online. This is going to be a requirement. The difference is how complicated does that website need to be? We're going to get into that. Now, the second thing you're always going to need, okay, what's that? You're going to need traffic coming to your website. Now, remember, I'm going to share with you the #1 source of traffic that you can use to quickly get your start. So all this traffic, let's just say you're even using just one source, but you're getting people to go to this website. Now, what would traditionally happen? Traditionally, you'd be able to get, what, 1%, 2%, 3% conversion. But not anymore, guys. With the new model that we're doing, I'm telling you right now that you can get anywhere from 35 to 70% conversion. And for the sake of argument, we're going to talk about 50%. Now, why am I saying that? Because now what you're going to do is you're going to build what we call an opt-in page where you offer a free gift to somebody, a free PDF, a free video, a free anything in exchange to get their email address. All right? Now, what happens as soon as they give you their email address? Well, actually, 2 things are going to happen. All right? So let's talk about them. Let me just draw this real quick. So first and foremost, guys, what's going to happen to the actual person who just came and put their email address in? That actual person is going to be forwarded to another page, right? If you're ever at a website and you fill a form out and you hit submit, you expect the page to you expect the page to refresh, right? We call this the thank you page, the tip, okay? The tip method is coming up soon. So you have your first opportunity to actually earn money right here. You have the first opportunity to earn money right here. I'm going to explain exactly how that works. And then let me get back into this right here. Now, what happens to the actual email address that was submitted? So right here, what went right in here? Well, guys, that goes into what we call a autoresponder. Now, it's basically a database, okay? This is this database that exists on the internet. Now, if you're starting to wonder, how does that happen? I don't understand the technology. Don't even worry about it. It's completely automated for you. As a matter of fact, with the system I'm about to show you, the live demo we're going to do together, you'll see how you never have to even touch it. Okay, so every email that goes in, it just keeps getting dumped right into this database, and it makes it so that you can email them anytime you want. And guess who owns this database? You. Nobody can take it away from you. Google can't take it away from you. Nobody can take it away from you. Let's say you got 10,000 emails 10,000 emails submitted here. Boom. You own them all. They sit in this database, and then you can do 2 things with them, okay? There's 2 additional ways to make money. One is called automated messages, okay? And one is called broadcasting. And I'll tell you right now that, so let me just quickly label these. So this is going to be the second way that you can make money. And I'm sorry if this is a very fugly green. It's not a nice looking green, but I got to create some different colors here. 90% of my income comes from broadcasting. 90% of my income, guys, comes from broadcasting. You know, as a matter of fact, when it comes to doing automated messages, I only put about 10 days of automated messages in the system. Now, again, This can be done all for you on the fly. All right, so let's just go through a quick example. Let's say that you came here, okay, and you focused on traffic and you used what I teach you just to go get 1,000 visitors. Super easy to do. Well, if they go through the 50%, guess what you're going to be left with? You will have 500 subscribers that are now on your list. So what happens, guys, is as soon as these people join your list, they're immediately forwarded to an offer. They're first given an opportunity. And how does that happen? You copy and paste an affiliate link right into your autoresponder. So this is all done on the fly. You basically tell your autoresponder, listen, every time someone puts their email address in here, show them this offer. So that's why this is the first opportunity to make some money. Now, here's the other challenge. What if you choose an offer? So what if you choose an affiliate offer that doesn't convert? That could be a potential problem, right? If it converts, great, you make a ton of money on this page. However, if it doesn't, you risk losing money. This is another element of our Launchpad platform that we've gone ahead and taken care of for you. All right, where you can feel assured that it's gonna happen, that you'll be able to make money. See, once those emails get in here, now they go into the automated process. So your autoresponder is going to send emails day after day after day after day for you on your behalf. So guys, again here, an automated business. Those emails, by the way, I'm going to show you how we've already written them for you. You're going to see a live demo of it. And then after that, at any point in given time when you want to send an email to that database, you just go and you do a broadcast. And here's the cool part. Whether you have 10 people on your list, whether you have 10,000 people on your list, or whether you have 1 million or more people on your list, the amount of time it takes is the same. You still type out one email. This is why this business continues to scale and continues to grow in an exponential manner. So guys, this is your 5-step model. Step number 1 starts all the way over here, and step number 5 ends all the way over here. As long as you get what? Traffic, have an opt-in page, have an autoresponder where you can do automated messages and broadcasting, and have a thank you page, you are going to be in a great place to start earning an income. So again, what are all the pieces you need? Okay, you need traffic. You need this page. Now this page, I'm going to show you how to get this page done within a matter of minutes. I'm going to prove it to you. All right? See, if you were to go out and get this page manually designed, okay? Let's say you wanted to go out and get it done by a programmer or a designer. You're going to spend $300 to $500 easily, okay? Now, picking the right affiliate offer, you might end up investing another $200 to $300 in testing just to find one that works. Now, your emails, you're going to have to spend time. Maybe you'll have to hire someone to write them. The point here is there's a lot of potential investment that could happen. And I'll tell you right now, it's a very realistic number to say that each business you put up could cost you about $1,000 to start. Now, knowing what I know today about email marketing, guys, I would invest $10,000 per business if I had to. But today, if you had to invest $1,000, that's risky. What if your first business doesn't work? You know, then you have to do another one or another one. We don't have thousands of dollars to waste. And that's exactly why we've built the platform that we've built for you. That's why I'm telling you right now that you'll have the ability to launch these businesses like boom, for free, because all the work has been done for you in an automated fashion where guess what? You don't have to know technology. You never have to worry about it. You don't have to make a major investment at all. You have no risk going into it because, again, you didn't have to make an investment into it. You don't have to write, okay? You don't have to design, all right? You don't even have to get hosting or domain names if you don't want to. This is how simplified we've made the process, and that is all within this demo I'm about to get into now. But first, what I wanted you to understand, what I wanted you to know was this is as simple as this gets. You need traffic, which I'm going to share with you exactly how to get today. You need an opt-in page, which I'm going to show you an automated way to get. You need a great thank you page offer, which I'm going to share with you exactly where to go for. And you need some emails. That's it. and you can be in full-blown business. Guys, it doesn't have to take long at all before you can replace the income you're making from home. Now, I'm not making a promise. Again, our goal here is to give you the training, the tools, and everything you need to empower you. You still have to go take action. But I'm going to give you now something that I created. I worked so hard on. Okay, I worked so hard just for you, so that just so you can make sure you don't have any risk, and there's no reason why you're not doing it. So here, let me bring this up real quick. I want to share with you what I really did, guys, because I'm so proud of this. Everyone told me we couldn't do it. Everyone told me it wasn't doable. It took us over 23 people, 14 months, to automate these 5 steps and to give you one guarantee, and not to mention $200,000 invested. And I really want to take a minute here to thank a few people who led this effort. Andrew Elstad, our director of technology, I've got to tell you, he did a great job. He made the impossible happen. Andrew Lance, our director of content, who personally managed over 16 writers, who created over 11,500 pieces of unique content, all available to you in the next few minutes. And then, of course, our secret coder, who didn't want his name mentioned, so we call him Coder X. We all went together. We all got together, and we put together this platform. But remember, I want you to know, and I want you to accept that this platform isn't a guarantee that you're going to make money. It's a guarantee that you'll get your business up and running in 60 minutes or less. So, how many of you are excited to see the technology that took me $200,000 to develop? I want to see some excitement, guys, because I'm pumped. 14 months of our life being told this could never be